So in this video, I will be going to tell you about how you can use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and many other AI models inside n8n using a single API key. So you have to use this site, this which is called AICredits.in. I have already signed up in it, and also have done the recharge. You just have to do the same. Go to add credits and add the credits. So I will just show you the step how to set up n8n. So go to API keys in your dashboard, click on create key, name whatever you want to give. I will give n8n demo, and if you want you can set a budget as well. So by mistake your n8n don't go beyond the set budget. Now generate a key. Make sure you copy this key because it will be shown only once. Now go to your n8n dashboard, click on the drop down, select the credentials, create credentials. Now here you have to select OpenAI. Now you will think that it is not OpenAI, but bear with me. So just paste your API key which you got from AIcredits.in, and now make sure to change this base URL. So here is the base URL given. You just have to copy this, paste this, and make sure you save the custom name so you know which credentials you are using. I am renaming it as AI credits. Save. Now you can also see that test connection is successful. So I will just create a, I have already created a demo. I will just delete this. So it is basic chat message. Now I will just select, this is the AI agent, and go to OpenAI, search for OpenAI chat model. Here you will get the drop down. I will select the AI credits which I just created. Here you can select multiple models. I will just again select GPT 4o for the demo. Sometimes it may cause some error, so you can just disable this use response API. You can just test it. I will just say hello. So I have to run this one as well because it's a development. So here you can see hello, how can I assist you? So this worked. So if I just change the model to, let's say, Gemini, search for Gemini model Pro. So if I just select, run it again, so again I got the response. And now you can see, if you go to your usage history, you will be able to see which model cost you how much money, and you will track your usage as well. Sign up to AIcredits.in, link in the description below. Let me know how you find this video in the comments.